ប្រយោគសំខាន់អំពីអាកាសធាតុ Useful sentences about weather អាកាសធាតុល្អណាស់នៅថ្ងៃនេះ The weather is very nice today. The weather is very nice today. នៅខាងក្រៅមានពន្លឺថ្ងៃនិងក្តៅបន្តិច It's sunny and warm outside. It's sunny and warm outside. មេឃដូចជារកភ្លៀង It looks like it's going to rain. It looks like it's going to rain. ខ្ញុំភ្លេចយកឆ័ត្រមក I forgot to bring my umbrella. I forgot to bring my umbrella. ភ្លៀងកំពុងធ្លាក់ខ្លាំងឥឡូវនេះ The rain is falling heavily now. The rain is falling heavily now. ពេលព្រឹកនេះត្រជាក់និងមានខ្យល់ It's cold and windy this morning. It's cold and windy this morning. ខ្ញុំសង្ឃឹមថានឹងមិនភ្លៀងទេនៅចុងសប្តាហ៍នេះ I hope it won't rain this weekend. I hope it won't rain this weekend. មេឃស្រឡះនិងមានពណ៌ខៀវ The sky is clear and blue. The sky is clear and blue. អាកាសធាតុផ្លាស់ប្ដូរយ៉ាងលឿននៅទីនេះ The weather changes very quickly here. The weather changes very quickly here. ខ្ញុំចូលចិត្តអាកាសធាតុត្រជាក់ជាងអាកាសធាតុក្តៅ I like cool weather more than hot weather. I like cool weather more than hot weather.